Kenyans, we are heading to the wrong direction as the country, my people. Why? Goons wamekuwa ni kama wana rule this country. Not the first time, not the second time, not the third time, my people. Tumeweza kuona those goons, my people, waki-attack the DCP rally, waki-attack the Leader Mwananchi rally, my people. The other weekend, the Leader Mwananchi walikuwa pale Kisii na magoons were spotted by camera wakirusha mawe kwa the Leader Mwananchi convoy, my people, na police officers walikuwa tu hapo, kazi yao tu wamengedhia tu hapo ni nini, my people. Lakini the peaceful protester ambaye anaenda pale hivyo maandamano with only a smartphone and water, my people, wanaanza kurushiwa tear gas, wanaanza kurushiwa the live bullets, my people. And so Kenyans, manze, tukikosa kujichunga, this country itaenda kuchomeka because our magoons wameweza kuleta shida, my people. Today pale Olkalao wameweza kuattack the DCP campaign truck, na wakaweza kuabduct the driver na wakaweza kurusha some tear gas, wakafire some live bullets, my people, pale hivyo, hao watu walikuwa kwa that campaign truck, my people, waweze kupotea. Before we continue, let's check this video ndio nisiweze kuambiwa tio ni stories zangu nasema au sio. Yeah, let's check this video.
Guys, tumefuatwa na magunzi wa Kasongo. Tumejifungia kwa room sisi zote. Wanataka kutuua. Wametupiga risasi. Aje kujani mtu rescue. Tumeelekea jini. Oka imani.
Yes.
So Kenyans, manze, this country vile inaelekea na this so called Mr. Excellency William Samoei Ruto, manze ataweza kuiharibu kabisa, And so Murkomen tunashidanga tukiona kila wakati pale kwa social media akisema ndio Rigathi Gachagua ati ni ametuma magoons in order aweze kugain the sympathy votes, my people. Lakini Kenyans, naulize, when Rigathi Gachagua ako kwa government in order aweze kugain the sympathy votes, my people, aweze kutuma the police officers wakuja na maguns eti nini, my people, wakuja na zile vitu zao masubaru ni nini, my people, in order aweze kugain the sympathy votes, my people. Sijui kama mnaniget, my people. It's so Kenyans, manze, we need to wake up na lazima tuweze kuchangamka na tuamue as a country. Kama ni 2027 huyo mtu tumwangushe, because mkikuja kupatwa 200, 500, sijui ngapi mnapatiwa hadi magas, my people, mta end up losing na mta end up hapo baadaye mtaanza kujiuliza mbona tulifanya hivi ni nini, my people. Unajua this time and this 2026-2027 finance bill lazima Mr. Excellency William Samoei Ruto aweze kushukisha bei za mafuta, za unga, za kila kitu, inoda watu waanze kusema ni two term eti ni vile kwa amepatiwa wakati ni nini, my people. Lakini mkiendelea tu hivyo mnaendelea, after ameweza kurudi two term, mtaweza kutii kama mlisema eti Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta aliweza kukula second term. Je, sembuse Ruto
your activities, your violent activities in the Republic of Kenya. Na hiyo kazi nitafanya usiku na mchana. You are my single most point of focus because of the threat you are posing to the Republic as the father of violence in the Republic of Kenya. Now that you have abrogated yourself the duty of instilling fear and violence, naming Kenyans and blackmailing them, I want to tell you that we will deal with you and deal with your family. I know that Mr. Gachagua, you have been collecting money from potential aspirants, intimidating some of them, promising them certificates. Yesterday you were quoted cajoling aspirants from Narok, that you have your personal community that will give them votes. Because we know what you are trying to do. You are trying to collect money from aspirants by force. And we know the money you are collecting, you are using them to prepare goons. We will deal with you and deal with you perpendicularly. These people, I want to say this again. We know Mr. Gachagua, and I want to see you to see me eye to eye. You know who I am. I'm telling you to your face. You must know for sure that we know all your activities. We know that you are intimidating businesses that have refused to give you campaign money. People who have supermarkets, people who are running their businesses, harassing them, using goons and criminals and gangs, including proscribed gangs in Mount Kenya region and other parts of the country. I want to tell you, we are monitoring your activities every minute. Nikitoka hapa nataka kujua ulipitia wapi na watu wagani ulikuwa unatembea nao na unataka kulipa wakora wagani kuumiza Wakenya. We will no longer allow you to roam around aimlessly from one corner of Kenya to the other, planning and planting seeds of discord and violence. That must come to an end. And I want to say to the people of Kenya, I am a Christian, I'm a good-hearted man. When it comes to good citizens that are keeping the law, I will be as gentle as dove. We will sing together, we will live together, we will laugh together. But when it comes to criminals and planners of violence like Rigathi Gachagua, I will be very ruthless. And I have no apology to make. Sometimes I see him threatening me. Oh, you will be taken to which court, to which court. Between me and Gachagua, who knows the law? I am not just but a lawyer, I am a teacher of law. And the work I have been given to do, I will do with one ruthless focus. Kuhakikisha kwamba nchi inakuwa sambamba. So I want to tell Gachagua and his surrogates in every part of the country, those who support him mchana and the ones who are doing it at night,